Hey everyone, so you want to turn your photos into Magical Studio Ghibli Art with ChatGPT. So in this video, I will show you that how you can do this using ChatGPT 4. Also, if you have a ChatGPT, normal ChatGPT, so you can upgrade it to Pro or Plus, and then you can come here and then you can see the process here, like new chat, and then upload files. So you can upload from computer. For instance, if we upload from computer, so just click on upload files, upload from computer, and this image, for example. And now I will type here, like ask anything, turn into Ghibli Studio style, and then press enter or click here. So this image will be turned into Ghibli Studio style. So getting started, it will take few minutes or few seconds, and then the image will be ready within few seconds. So we will have to wait. So the process is very simple. You just need ChatGPT 4.0, and then you will upload the image and then type like the prompt, simple prompts like turn into Ghibli Studio style. So it will be turned into Magical Studio Ghibli Art. Actually, you can type here like turn into Magical Studio Ghibli Art also. It's up to you. So it's changing. You can see now, amazing. It can take, as it's showing here, may take a moment. So creating image may take a moment. So don't worry about this thing because it can take few minutes. And you can see it's amazing. Awesome. See, fantastic. If you click here, so you can see this image and you can see this image also. Perfect. Each and everything you can see, like, two beds, behind this. And then you can see this mirror also. And then you can see this one, this, everything is there. Cupboards also of kitchen, and then door also here. So it's amazing. And you can download it from here, save it, and it will download. So you can open it. So this will open and you can see it's here. Amazing. So you can turn any image, into Magical Studio Ghibli Art with ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming video. Thank you so much once again.